Have you been looking for that perfect ranch house in the best location? This may be it. My name is Margaret Labus. I'm with Berkshire Hathaway in the Starboard Group. Welcome to 238 Thistledown in the village of Walworth. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is just steps from everything. Let's take a look. This ranch-style home features a bright living room with picture windows, brand new neutral carpeting, and a home generator. The large kitchen is equipped with wood cabinetry, a center island, breakfast bar, and a gas range. The primary bedroom offers a private half bath, and all bedrooms include ceiling fans. The impressive lower level features a workshop, laundry room, and a finished rec room with an updated full bath. The exterior boasts a large wood deck with a prime view of the adjacent Bigfoot High School football and soccer fields. Two-and-a-half car garage with accessibility ramp, storage shed, and a natural gas generator complete this level corner lot property. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at 238 Thistledown in Walworth, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about this house, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help any way that we can. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks on leading your best lake life. Cheers.